When kids learn to read, they unlock a world of imagination, exploration, and learning. Built by learning experts, HOMER Reading is the proven learn-to-read program for kids 2 through 8. At HOMER, we know that every child learns in uniquely personal ways, so we put personalization in everything we do. We start with your child's age and current reading level. Then we add their interests and passions to create a learning plan unique to them. From the moment they start, your kids will be having fun, but all the while they'll be learning to read step by step. From ABCs,
The letter D.
to practicing phonics,
Cur.
to learning sight words,
A-N-D.
to reading their first book,
It is you, Sanforium.
and exploring a world of interests. An independent study proved that 15 minutes of HOMER reading a day can boost early reading scores by 74%. And better yet, your subscription to HOMER also gives you access to HOMER Stories, the magical library of interactive stories, catering to all reading levels and filled with both beloved characters and original stories. HOMER Stories is the perfect companion to HOMER Reading. Start your free 30-day trial today and access HOMER Reading on multiple devices. It even works offline. Your child will fall in love with reading on HOMER Reading.